BiomedRx is a healthcare technology management firm. We perform medical equipment, repair, installation, calibration, preventive maintenance, and electrical safety inspections. We serve all modalities of diagnostic and therapeutic medical equipment. This includes biomedical medical imaging and scientific laboratory equipment. We also service isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. We can perform your annual inspection and recertification of your isolated power systems and line isolation monitors and provide you with the documentation necessary to satisfy the Joint Commission and NFPA 99 requirements. We are the only company that provides online service reports to our clients. Each client is provided a unique, secure online portal on our website through which they can view video, text, and image documentation of all service events. In this regard, we adhere to the highest standard of service in the medical device industry. We service hospitals, surgery centers, and other healthcare providers with annual preventive maintenance service contracts. We provide you with the documentation necessary to satisfy the Joint Commission for the Accreditation of Healthcare Organizations, as well as state and other regulatory agencies. We also serve medical device manufacturers as an outsourced field service solution. Our service network covers the United States, Canada, the Caribbean, and Latin America, and is expanding rapidly. Our field service solution empowers manufacturers to rapidly expand sales territories. We also provide documentation and recording for those who are going through the Food and Drug Administration 510(k) process for medical equipment certification. Your medical equipment deserves the highest standard of service accountability and reporting. Our pricing is straightforward and very competitive. You may not think you can afford the best, but you can't deny knowing that the best exist. Call us today to find out how we might be able to help you with healthcare technology management solutions.